Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to get professional account on Twitter. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial, and all you have to do is make sure to follow the instruction correctly. So before getting started, make sure to update your application. So in order to update, first of all, you'll have to head towards your Play Store application, and then on the search box, you'll have to type in Twitter. Now instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available, and all you have to do is tap on update. Since I don't have the update button, so all I have to do is just simply open the Twitter application. So after you open up your Twitter application, in the top left corner of your screen, there is a profile icon. Tap on it. So after you tap on it, on the other side there is your profile information. So then scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom or in the second last option, you can see professional tools. Simply tap on it. So after you tap on it, the page expands, and under it there is another option that is Twitter for Professional. All you have to do is tap on it. So after you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to agree to this terms and condition. So make sure to go through it and then tap on agree and continue. So in order to create a professional account, it is mandatory for you to upload a photo. So all you have to do is tap on upload right in center, and you can either take a picture or you can either choose from the existing photo, which means that from the gallery. So after you do that, select the image that you actually want to upload it on Twitter application, and then tap on apply in the top right corner of your screen, and once again tap on allow. And once you're done uploading a profile photo, tap on next in the bottom right corner of your screen, and on the second last option, it is mandatory for you to enter a description. So then you'll have to enter a valid description or a bio. So once you're done, tap on the next button. So after that, you'll have to select the category. So you have a list of options, so select it accordingly, and then tap on next in the bottom right corner of your screen. So over here you'll have to select the account type. So in case if you have a business account, then tap on business, and if you're a content creator, then simply tap on creator, and then tap on the next button right in the corner. So you can see that my normal account has been switched to a professional account. So that is how you can get professional account on Twitter. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.